How to enable or disable Talkback Speak Passwords on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on Talkback. Now go down and tap on settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on advanced settings. In here, tap on speak passwords. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. In here, say passwords only spoken when using headphones. And here, say passwords always spoken. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.